In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to the PlayStation Network on your PS5 Pro. Now, from the homepage, all you have to do is navigate to the PlayStation Store, and then you should see this sign in option. Select that. And then there are two methods you can use to sign in to your PlayStation Network. So you can simply scan the QR code, and then it will provide you to type in your password and the email address so that you can access your account. And also you can do that manually. So if you select sign in manually, this will sign in using your controller to type in your email address and password. So whichever method you'd use, they'll simply sign in, or they sign you in to your PlayStation Network. So choose the method that you'd like to use. And then once you sign into your account, you should get to this page whereby you'll be prompted to set up a PS5 login passcode. So if you'd like to do that, simply select that option and type in the passcode that you'd like to use. And then from there, simply click on OK. And now you've successfully signed in into your PlayStation Network on the PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.